So here we got the tomoquads Predator Generation 2. Quite a bit different than the last Predator. I was going to say first Predator, but the last one wasn't the first one. There's actually been 3 different revisions of the tomoquads Predator X. This latest one kind of reminds me of the Mach 3. It has the same shape of arms, and I think a lot of his new frames use that same shape. Like, I'm trying to think, I thought there was another frame that used these same feet. Maybe it was just the Mach 3 though. Mach 3, oh no, also the Evo X uses the same style feet. So it looks a lot like the old Predator though, in some ways. Let's check it out. So it is, ooh, nice. A little bit over 3 millimeters thick. See what it is motor to motor. I think it's 135. Oh no, it's way smaller than that. Wow, nice. It's 122 motor to motor, so nice and small, smaller than the Mach 3, that's for sure. I thought when I saw it that it was gonna fix that issue of the USB having to remove the standoff, but I was wrong in this case. There's probably some flight controllers that have the USB more towards the back, or there probably is a way that I could turn this. Let's see, if I was to turn it, if I was to just flip it 90, then it would probably be in the back here, but I didn't really care to. It's just so close though. I mean, look how close that is. It's so close to be able to plug the USB in right there. But not a big deal, because if I need to change any settings, I got Lewis script on this one, so not a big deal. I can just change it from my radio. I don't need to plug it into Betaflight. It's already updated to the newest firmware and whatnot, so I shouldn't have to mess with it for quite a while. I am using the new Aero Pro. I had a problem with it, and I'm not sure what the deal was. You're not going to be able to see it with this standoff in the way, but they sent me wiring that must have been for the regular Aero Micro. It's not the same as this one. So I plugged it in, I had no video. I'm lucky I didn't fry the camera, but the way that the wiring was, it was power ground video. Is that right? Power ground video. Yeah, that's how this one is set up. Power from the outside in, it's power ground video. And on the regular Aero Micro, it's video ground power. And I don't know, they must have sent me the wrong plug, because I used the plug that came with this camera. I plugged it in, got no video. Then I noticed it when I was checking out, you know, what could be the problem. And I realized that the video and the power were backwards, which is just ridiculous. So I flipped it around, and then the camera was looking all funky and like shadowy and real weird. So I hit reset, unplugged the battery, plugged the battery back in, and then now it's fine. So guess I didn't hurt anything, but that kind of sucks. I don't know if that was their mistake or what the deal is, but anyway, back to the Predator. Using the Emax 1106 6000 kV DYS 18 amp 4-in-1 and the Maytech 411 Mini, and then I got a RXSR underneath the 4-in-1. I depinned it so that it would fit under there. And on this particular setup, this is a 3-inch quad, but I decided to make it a 2.5-inch because I knew that it was going to have a shitload of power even with 2.5-inch props, and I was right. I just got done flying it, and it is insane. So definitely can be used as a 2.5-inch for sure. and it's not huge, so you know it doesn't look stupid with 2.5-inch props. 122 millimeter, so not a huge quad, you know. Everything fits in here very, very nicely. The camera fits in there just perfectly. The VTX I got sitting back here on the top, the VTX 03, fits in there perfectly. You get these antenna holders for your receiver antenna. You get the nice TPU mounts, soft mounts, arm protectors. It's just an all-around badass frame. I really like it. Pretty awesome. So next time it's sunny out, I'll be flying this thing first, so I'll have some more DVR up and maybe some punch-out videos. Alright.